Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. Oh my gosh, what a super fun collaboration we're doing today. It's hosted by Lacee's Space and hosted by Chrissy, her sister. And give her some prayers because she's not feeling very well. So anyway, this collaboration is all about an inspiration, something that inspired you to do something. And I had originally said that it was a Pier 1 inspired DIY that I was trying to recreate. I redid my armoire, and I found a beautiful picture at Pier 1. And I thought, well, maybe I can give that one a try. But in actuality, it turned out more like the Wayfair pieces that I had already purchased. So, but my armoire definitely needed a revamp, so I really appreciate this because I've been so motivated to try and get it done. This is exactly what I wanted it to look like, and I'm so super thrilled for this collaboration. So let's watch, see what we did. Okay, so these are the materials I'm going to be using to duplicate my Pier 1 inspired armoire. So I got these two mirrors. They came from Walmart. They were $5.88 each. I picked up these little mirror holders to put on the back. They were 97 cents each. I needed two for both of the mirrors. And then I picked up these smaller screws because the ones that were in here are too big and it would come right through the wood. I mean, look how long those are. Those are pretty long. So it would come right through the door of the armoire. I got these from Walmart. They were $5.97. And my mirror cutter. I'm going to use that to cut down the mirror so it'll fit. I got that from Home Depot. That was like, I think it was like $2, $2.97. This came from Home Depot, aged gray chalk paint. That was from Home Depot for $15. This is a Dollar Tree tray. I use it for everything. And I picked up this roller. It was $3.97 at Home Depot. And it says for smooth surfaces. So yeah, these are all the items I'm going to be using to duplicate my Pier 1 armoire. Pier 1 inspired armoire anyway. So let's get busy. Okay, this is my armoire. And this is what I will be trying to transform. Alrighty guys, here it is. So I'm sorry I lost a little bit of footage, but you really didn't miss much. Basically all I did was I just sanded down the sides there and then repainted, and then I put the little brackets up in the back and then popped the mirrors in there. So yeah, that's how it turned out. I had originally said that it was a Pier 1 inspired design, but actually, you know what? It kind of matches my ones that I got from Wayfair. And that little tiny little stand there didn't cost way more, like more than double what this project cost me. I've had this armoire. I got it from oh, where did I get it from? Walmart several years ago, and it just needed a little revamp. So thank you so much, Lacey Space and Hostedbykrssie, for giving me that little kick in the butt. I really appreciate it because, oh my goodness, I'm just really loving how it all turned out. So anyway, if you guys are interested, we are doing a collaboration. My friend Inspired By and I are doing a collaboration on Saturday the 27th, and we would love for you all to join us as well. It is going to be Style with Your Heart, and basically it's just a Valentine's Day DIY or showcase what you decorate with for Valentine's Day, whether it be a bar cart, a shelf, or whatever it is that you like to decorate with. So we'd love to see you all there too. So again, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy. Hope you got some inspiration. This was actually not as bad as I thought. I've been dreading this project for the longest time, and I think it turned out really well. Oh, sorry about those little dots right there. They're still wet. But anyway, thank you so much. You have a lovely day.